Hello students, today we have to learn a topic polynomials. So what is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integer powers is called a polynomial. Let's take an example. 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial in one variable x. So again now we have arise a question, what is variable? Variable, a symbol which may be assigned different numerical values is known as variable, or simply we can understand as variable as a vary, whose value is not definite, whose values always change according to the question. So on changing the value of the variable we can named as a variable because the variable doesn't have a fixed value. Next one is constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. So we can say all the numbers are constant because they have a fixed definite value. So 2, 3, 4, 5 each and every number we can say as a constant, and variables represented by a letter, small alphabetical letter x, y, z. Now what is the degree of polynomial? Highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So here variable is x. So we have to check out the highest power of the variable. Here the power of the variable x is 2 and here is the power of the variable x is 1. So which is highest? 2. So it will become the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Now let's take another example. 7x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 9. So here the variable is x, x and x. So it is a one variable polynomial. Highest power of the x is here 3. So degree of this polynomial is equal to 3. Now this is the example of the degree of the polynomial in one variable. Suppose we have a polynomial in two variables. So how could we define the degree of the polynomial? See, in two variable polynomial, the sum of powers of the variables in each term is taken up and higher sum is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, 7x cube minus 3x square y square plus 3xy plus 4y plus 8. Here we have two variables. One is x, second is y. So we have to check the addition of the powers of the variables. So here only one variable whose power is 3. Here are two variables. Now we have to add the powers of both the variables. We will get 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And here x and y, 1 power. It will become 2 and here is only 1. So what will get the highest number? Here highest number we have got 4. So the degree of this polynomial is equal to 4. Got it everyone? Now let's take another example. 4x cube y square minus 5x y square plus 7 minus 2x. This is again a polynomial in two variable x and y. Now we have to check the highest power of the term. So first term is 4x cube y square. So on adding the powers we got 5. On adding the powers of this term we get 3. So what is the highest power is 5 and it will become the degree of the polynomial of this. So therefore the degree of the polynomial is 5. Got it everyone? In this way we can find the degree of the polynomial. So highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Now we have to learn different types of polynomial on the basis of their degrees. See, first one is linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 1, this is the linear polynomial in variable x having the power only 1. And another example I have taken as a 3y plus 9. This is again a linear polynomial with variable y. Second one is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So let's take an example of this. 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So here you can say the highest power of the variable is 2. So on basis of the degree of the polynomial, it is called as a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having the degree 2 is called the quadratic polynomial. Third one is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. That means the variable have the highest degree as 3, then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Example, 3x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 9. So here the highest degree of the variable is 3. So on the basis of the degree of the variable, we can say it as a cubic polynomial. The next one is biquadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 4, then this is called the biquadratic polynomial. See, here it is example, x to the power 4 minus 3x square, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So here the highest power of the variable is 4. So it is called the biquadratic polynomial. And another example, x square plus y square plus xy cube plus y square. So here the polynomial in two variables. So we have to check the highest power of the variable is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So it is again a biquadratic polynomial having the degree 4. Got it everyone? Now we have to learn number of terms in polynomial. Number first type of polynomial is monomial. A polynomial containing one non-zero term is called monomial. That means if a polynomial having only one term, then the polynomial is called monomial. For example, 3x is a monomial polynomial. 5 is also again a monomial polynomial. Next polynomial is binomial. A polynomial containing two non-zero terms is called binomial. That means a polynomial having two terms, then it is called binomial. For example, 3 plus 6x. There are two terms. One term is 6x and other term is 3. So there are two terms. That's why it is called binomial. Next example is 4x plus 3 of binomial. Next is trinomial. A polynomial containing three non-zero terms is called trinomial. For example, 3x square plus 9x plus 4. That means if a polynomial containing three terms, first term, second term and third term, it is called trinomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one term only consisting of a constant is called a constant polynomial. So every number is called a constant polynomial, we can say. There are two remarks for constant polynomial. Every real number is a constant polynomial, as I said earlier. Second one is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. So these are the things we have to remember. Thank you.